Today I'm going to show you how to hide your teams on an iPad that you're not using so you can stay better organized. When you look at your teams on the left panel, you'll see that all of your teams are listed. If you click the settings gear, you can choose the checkbox to show a team in the teams list. The teams with the bubbles with the check marks are the ones that you will see. The empty bubbles are going to be hidden. So when you go through, you can choose to highlight a team if you use that on a daily basis, or you can uncheck a team to keep it hidden. When you're done, click the back arrow, and only the teams that have the check marks in the bubbles will be shown.